Okay guys, hi and welcome back. Here I have the input group. The input group, this is the input group. It is different, it is more different than the contact form. I think you noticed that. So here when I copy, I have this. Go to the code, paste it here, okay. When I reload the page, here I got this. Here I have everything I want. I have this and this, all of that. Here I have the username, blah 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 blah. When I hit enter, nothing happens. Okay, here I can make something different. Here I can make input or button with a type of submit in the class of button primary or button submit. Here I can make a submit. So here I have this button, okay, or I can make it button primary. So here I have the yellow color. When I make it like this, here I have this bigger or smaller. If I don't like it, I can make it here. Sorry, I can cut it and make it here if I don't like it in this place. So here I have this here. Okay, after this part I have the wrapping. Let's see what is the wrapping. When I make here, let's read what we have here. The input group wrap by default flex wrap in order to accommodate custom from field validation within an input group. You may disable the flex no wrap. Okay, when I make it like this, here I got this. I don't think there's a difference. It is the same. I don't like it like this, so it is okay to leave it without the wrap. Okay, the sizing, we have tested the sizing before, but we can copy or we can search for it. Here I have the large. I can make it inside the dev, in the class of the dev. So here I have the dev. I can make it here, the input group large, and here I have the large one. The checkbox and radius, when I click here, now it is checked. It is not helpful, but we will make it. Here when I paste, here I have the value if I want to make a value, but it is for the back-end web developers. If you have the experience, you can do it. So here I have this. When I make anything here or here, when I click here, now it is done. Okay, the next thing we have the multiple inputs. Okay, now I have the first and the last name. Here I can type my blah 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 and blah blah blah. Okay, after this I have the add-ons, the multiple add-ons. So here we have new contact forms with the Bootstrap 5. This is the multiple add-ons. Okay, this one and this one. Great, which I cannot edit. I can edit it in the HTML, but the visitor cannot edit this. So here when I make it anything I want, it will be edited. So here I got this. Great. After this part I have the button add-ons, which is totally different. I can copy and paste, and let's see if we can change its color. So here I have button outline secondary. I can make it dark. So here I have the dark, and here I have a dark. When I hover, or I can make it success, primary, secondary, danger, warning, info, success, anything I want. Okay. After this I have the button drop-ons. When I make here I have the drop-down. Sorry, drop-down and not drop-on. Click here, copied, paste it here, and of course you can make this into dark or success. Let's make success. Okay, so here let's reload. Here I have the success. When I click here, nothing happens. because it's for the back-end web developers. Okay, let's see what we have here after this part. I have the segmented buttons. When I click here, nothing, but when I click here, I have the drop down link, but in a different form. I can copy and paste. Okay, here I have this one. This one. Great, and this one too. Okay, when I scroll down more, they are the same. Here I have the options, which is the select area. It is similar to the select area, but we can do it. Okay, when I scroll down here, I have the button. When I click in it, nothing happens, but when I click here I have the example select area. So we have something different from the Bootstrap 4, so I started from here because it is different. The input, here I have two. This is for everything, but not everything 100%. We have many things here. We have two add-ons, and here upload or browse, and here the hover and choose a file. When I click here, now I can choose a file. Let's paste it here. Okay, when I reload, I have this. Great. Okay, the next thing we have is what? I think the last thing we have. No, I think we have nothing here. Okay, let's see the layout if we have something different here. It is very big. No, I think it is very big. Okay, now we are done with this video. In the next video we will move to the layout. So good luck and have fun.